Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to make your account private on X, formerly Twitter. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to X, open your account, and after that, click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, go and click on Settings and Privacy. And on Settings and Privacy, go to Privacy and Safety. And here, go to the first option, Audience and Tagging. Click on it. And as you can see, the first option is Protect Your Posts. Activate it. And as you can see here, it tells you if you activate this option, it only shows your posts to the people who follow you. And if you select this, you will need to approve each new follower. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.